Hi, I'm Leona from SNS and today we are going to do some fabric decorating using the Shiva Paintstikks, which are an oil paint stick, and using the Cedar rubbing plates, Cedar Canyon rubbing plates, onto fabric. These are an oil paint, but they dry overnight, so when they're dry then you heat fix with an iron and they're permanent onto fabric. As you can see, they've got they are quite versatile. So the first one I'm going to do is just spray the Cedar Canyon rubbing plate with just a little bit of adhesive, just to hold the fabric in place. Just going to smooth it out over the top. Now underneath there is a pattern there, and you're just going to cut the oil paint stick flat, so when you rub it, it will actually skim over the top of the pattern. Just remembering what we've got. You can change colours, or you can just add a bit more colour onto a section of it afterwards. I'll come back and use a bit of green. And these are iridescent, so they come in the plain colours, also in an iridescent as well. So the iridescents really pop off the black fabric. So there is just one sample of using the Cedar rubbing plates with the oil paint sticks. The oil paint sticks can also be used in a variety of ways. So you can put a bit of masking tape onto your fabric, layer the paint stick along the masking tape, and then with your thumb, just flick the colour, push the colour into the middle. So when you pull the masking tape off, you'll get this really lovely effect. So you can use a few different colours and mix them. Another technique with the oil paint sticks is just by ripping a piece of paper unevenly, you can draw across the top of the page again with the paint stick, and then with your thumb just flick the colour. Then you can come down and change colours. You can use the same paper. These paint sticks, they are an oil paint, but because they've had a lot of the oil taken out, they dry with the skin overnight. So you just have to peel back that skin. Okay, we'll come back over again. And then you just flick the colour again. You can change the pattern if you wish as you go, or you can just leave the same pattern. So that gives you quite a nice masked area. And that's the oil paint sticks using these Cedar rubbing plates.